Welcome to Life Affairs. I'm Amelia, a place where ordinary moments become unexpected stories, laughter hide inside chaos, and life's smallest events often leave the biggest lessons. So grab a cup of tea, get comfortable, and let's begin. This is Life Affairs. I collected my son from school on what appeared to be just an ordinary afternoon. I was wrong. Before we had even left the school gates, he informed me that we should go into business together. No hesitation, no warm up, no market research delay, just confidence. Apparently, we will be opening a lemonade stand, not near our house because there wasn't enough traffic. Now, imagine hearing location analytics from someone who still occasionally need help finding matching socks. The child had already completed a site assessment. Then came permits, government approval, profit forecasts, expansions plans, funding discussions. Somewhere between the school gates and the driveway, I became finance director. Then the truth emerged. This wasn't about entrepreneurship. This wasn't about serving the local community. This wasn't about lemonade. It was about a Roblox card. The project revenue had a destination. I made the mistake of asking why the creator of Roblox keep taking money from children. The atmosphere changed immediately. Mommy, don't say that. Apparently, I was no longer discussing a game developer, I was discussing the admin. The way he said it, I briefly wondered if the admin monitored family conversations. At that point, I changed the subject for legal reasons. Have you ever had a child who could explain a plan that sounded more organized than your own? What happened and what did you do? Have you ever realized halfway through a conversation that somebody had a completely different agenda from the one they originally presented? What happened and what did you do? Thank you for spending these moments with me. If today's story reminds you of your own family, your own adventures, or one of life's unexpected twists, then perhaps we're not so different after all. Until next time, take care of yourself and each other. I'm Amelia, and this has been Life Affairs.